This video is made only for educational purposes. All visuals and information shown here are meant to inform and create awareness. Let's begin.
Together. Oh, Selena or Ella? Okay. All right, Damon will help me, so. Selena or Ella? Okay. All right, Damon will help me, so. Just call me. Keep me posted. Oh, that's on me. Love you. Just call me. Keep me posted. Oh, that's on me. Love you.
Posted! Karma. What are you doing? What are you doing? That was stupid, wasn't it? That was a bit stupid, wasn't it? Mate, you just cut straight in front of me and I just missed you, and then you do that. I've got that all on camera. A whole lot on camera. Did you see that? Can you get a bike out of the way?
Thank you. Yeah! Fuck yeah! Fuck yes!
Whoop whoop, motherfucker!
It also means, in his case, his jurisdiction to tell you that there is one previous example, just in case this becomes relevant, there is one previous example of a federal prosecutor in New York resisting and saying no when a president tried to remove him.
it to any cloud. You can test their claim by using it with your Wi-Fi or internet connection disabled, if you don't believe them, or feel like many people do. Also doesn't record or store any visuals, so employers only receive an aggregated total number of how many employees sign up to the app, how many use it on a weekly basis, not exactly who those employees are or what time of day we're, Also, the software is designed so you don't have to keep it on all the time. So you can check in just a couple times a day, which may be enough to keep you aware of your posture. Zen says that most users do like a 30 to 60 minute posture session in the morning, maybe another in the afternoon.
Year-round access, no features, probably like a vacant land, no sewer system, no heat and flood, fly country road with amazing views, that has been approved to build on and ready for sucker. He getting pulled over. Which one? The guy in the Jeep. What'd you do? Bean. Oh, really?